Happy anniversary! It's a happy day, it's a happy night. Welcome to my channel, please subscribe. Anniversary! And here is the food! Ito yung pinikat naming food. Ito, sisig daw to, Marlon. Ito, lumpiang Shanghai. Ito, fried chicken. Lechon belly. At saka pinakbet. Yung iba, inuwi ko, kaya bakante lang siya. Eh, naman sinabing dakal kayo. De sana, hindi ko na iuwi.
Tataka kami, sa?
Oo nga, inuwi ko. May kanin ba, Janet? Ano yan? Yan yung leche plan. Napasok muna sa refrigerator. Ay, umurong? O kinain ko. O kinain ko yung kalahati. Akala ko isang buo yan. Iningatan ko pa naman. Parang kinain ko yung kalahati ng leche plan. Ito, may rice sila. Ito, may salad. May salad. May mais. May bread. May mangga. Ayun yung kanilang backyard. Parang excursionan. Okay, you want corn? Corn. Corn on the cob. Manicure by Rosette. And pedicure. Saan yung kuko ko yun? Pedicure by Rosette.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano ba yung kinukot-kot niyo dyan? Napaka-sosyal naman.
When I was 17 and a half,
Wow.
she said,
Cheese.
it's true. 74.
Miss what you mean. You get a better picture.
Oh, it's okay.
You got it?
Yeah. I'm taking video.
She said, Ron,
Alin ba rito masarap?
you're
Na
17
cheese.
and a half, and
Ano yung
by
kinuk...
the time you're 18, you're going to have to be out of the house because I won't be able to support
Kailangan pa gaganituhin.
Yeah, kung hindi masarap.
Hindi masarap. Paano may nagbibideo ako? Ito na lang. Yung hindi nakukutsilyo. Yun daw kaya pag hindi ginamit yung kutsilyo, hindi masarap. Ito na lang.
I said to her, Mom, take me out here to high school, man, and get me signed up with the
Ito naman, kailangan.
Kailangan to kasi, bigyan ko, test.
Ayan.
Kasi hindi masarap if you don't use this one. And it's Lani in the house.
Yeah, Lani in the house.
Lani with the butter.
Yeah.
There you go. With the butter knife.
Yummy.
Yeah, me. No, me. One more?
Hindi sa inyo, hindi maano yung pangarap namin yung kapag handa sa...
Sige, next year.
Jeanette, tingin dito.
Next year, Papa is
Sa'yo.
cooking.
1, 2, 3.
Yung ba yung good side ko?
Marlon.
Buksan mo nga, Janet.
Maya sisigawan na naman ako.
Janet, buksan mo nga. Palabok. Ito ibang handa. Daming lumpia. Kaldereta. Dami yung handa.
Gusto na mag-start ng kumain?
Kumain na kayo.
Pray muna tayo. Yung nakakain ko.
Coming from you,
Ako na mag-ano. God bless.
Dami nilang handa. Okay, God bless us all. Ano yan? Ay! Ano yan? Bibingka? Kasaba cake? Ang dami ninyong handa, Marlon. Madaling araw pa, nagluluto ka na?
Kahapon pa, di madaling araw.
Kahapon pa raw siya nagluto. Okay. God bless us all. Kain na na. Let's,
Picture ako yan.
let's eat.